Welcome to Math with Professor V. Here is your latest integral of the day. We have the definite integral from 1 to 2 of x raised to the 3x times natural log of x plus x raised to the 3x dx. If you want to try it on your own, my hint is all you need integration-wise is u-substitution. That's the only integration technique. And I went to the integration bee that they hold annually at the college where I teach yesterday. So I have several fun new integrals that I'll be solving for you guys in the next coming week or so. Okay, if you tried it on your own, the answer is 21. Is that what you got? Oh, good. So here we go. First thing I noticed was that we have this common factor of x to the 3x, so I did factor it out, hoping for some inspiration. So then you have x to the 3x times natural log of x plus 1 dx. And then I went ahead and did a u substitution. So let u equal x raised to the 3x. Now, before we differentiate, we need to use logarithmic differentiation, obviously, because we have a variable in the base and the exponents. We're going to take the natural log of both sides. So natural log of u equals natural log of x raised to the 3x, which I can rewrite as 3x times natural log of x. Now let's go ahead and differentiate both sides. So derivative of natural log of u is 1 over u du. And then when differentiating 3x times natural log of x, we need to use the product rule. So derivative of 3x is 3. Leave ln of x alone. Plus, now leave 3x alone. Derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. And then we still have dx over here. So this simplifies nicely. 1 over u du equals 3 ln of x plus 3 dx. And then hopefully this is looking familiar to what we had right here in our integral. There's just an extra 3. So let's factor it out. And then I do have ln of x plus 1 dx equals, over here we still have the 1 over u du. Okay, but what about this extra x to the 3x? Well, that's just u. So actually, don't worry about it. We can move that over and then divide both sides by 3, and we're pretty much ready to roll. So now I have 1/3 du equals u times ln of x plus 1 dx. And then remember, u was just x raised to the 3x. ln of x plus 1 dx. Oh my goodness, that cleaned up so beautifully, right? So look up. Actually, let me just copy it so you can see how fabulously this all came together. So cute, right? So all of this, the entire integrand and my differential is just 1/3 du. Love it. Now don't forget, we do need to change our limits of integration. So these limits 1 and 2 belong to the variable x. And we made this substitution, u is x raised to the 3x. So u of the lower limit 1 would be 1 raised to the 3 times 1, that's still 1. And then u of 2 would be 2 raised to the 3 times 2, 2 to the 6th, which is 64. So that's my new upper limit. So now let's go ahead and make our substitution. Don't forget, we've got 1/3. I'm going to put it outside. Limits of integration now go from 1 to 64. And then all of this is just du. Ooh, love it. Okay, and then from here, 1/3. Antiderivative is just going to be u. We'll evaluate it from 1 to 64. So 1/3, 64 minus 1, that's 63. 63 divided by 3 is 21. Boom. How did you like that one? I thought it was so beautiful and fun. So like I said yesterday on campus, they have the annual integration bee. The math club hosts it. And this was one of the first integrals that they put up. I have bad news. Nobody got it. I know. I thought it was a little too aggressive to start with. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And then I was writing down some of the integrals that I really liked. That way I can share them with you guys in the next coming videos. So be ready for some spicier stuff, but don't worry, I'll mix in some more manageable integrals too for you guys to practice. Anyways, if you need to review any of your Calc 2 topics, or if you're in Calculus 1, 2, 3, pre-calc, I have full-length video lectures on my YouTube channel. Everything's organized into playlists. So head over there, check it out. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Math with Professor V. I show you some behind-the-scenes stuff at work, my daily life, whatnot. So come over there. We can have some fun. And I will be back sooner than later with more uploads, more integrals, more linear algebra and differential equations videos. I know everyone's waiting patiently for those. So I have a lot of work to do. I got to get going, guys. Love you all. Thank you so much for your support. Bye.